Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussie's group, PTE Tutorials. My name is Malcolm and I'm your PTE coach. And friends, I'm very happy that today I have with me Miss Vijya from India. Vijya Yadav, who is from Delhi, India, recently took the PTE academic test in America in the city of Jersey. And she's got a fantastic score of 85 out of 90. In speaking and writing, she's got 90 each. In listening as well, she's got a score of 82. And lastly, in reading, she's got a score of 80 out of 90. And that's how she's got a band 8 each score. So first of all, many congratulations to Vijaya. We are really happy that you got your desired score. So if you could just give your introduction to the viewers, please, that would be great.
Okay, thank you, sir. And I will give like I'm really thankful of the PT tutorials, especially you and Shruti ma'am, who are helping a lot for without any intention, I believe. We can post our queries, we can even post our recordings, and you people give honest feedback. So that really helps us.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I started my this journey of PTE after getting frustrated from IELTS. So after that, I tried the PTE is a vast course. So I tried to search on the Google some good coaching, and I got to know about PTE tutorials. Then I took the session with Tanvi ma'am, the online session for 2 weeks, 15 days. After that, so I could, at that time, I was not aware of anything about PTE. So after attending that session, I got to know about how many types of questions are there, how to prepare for that. Then after that, I prepared for 3 months, and I booked my exam. So in my first score, I believe I was not able to maintain my time in listening, and I lost the last right from dictation part.
And ma'am, we'd also like to ask you that the Telegram group which you joined for PTE tutorials, how was the experience of that group? Like there are almost like 6,000 to 7,000 members on the group. So how is the atmosphere over there in the group? If you could just share for the viewers, please.
I would say Shruti ma'am is, and you are managing that group. So especially Shruti ma'am, she responds to each and every query. I have seen her, like she spend a lot of time on Telegram, and she will give you exact thing that you need to work on. Even I took feedback from her on my first attempt. So based on that, I prepared for my second attempt. And I'm really thankful to her.
Ma'am, also one more thing, like you cleared your test now, you got a fantastic score of 8 each. So if there's, one thing you want to share with the viewers, like what is the main thing or the important things they should be careful before the test and during the test, what would you recommend them to do to motivate them?
Yes, you should have clear idea of each and every question type of PTE and how to, there are few tricks using that you can work on these questions in a clever manner.
Last but not the least, would you like to recommend PTE tutorials to the thousands of people who are still struggling to get their desired score in PTE?
In the online session, both the newcomer and the struggler both joins the session, same session. So in that, what happens? The newcomer will be unaware of all things, and the experienced one, who has already given PTE exam,
they already know. Yes.
Times, so that creates some kind of disconnection. So if there is a different session for newcomers and the experience, so that may help.
That's a really good suggestion. Yes,
this is what I faced when I joined PTE tutorials initially. But later I was able to cope up, get the details of how many question types, because those people will give the answer quickly, and it will take us to time to grasp the.
Yes. You're right. You're absolutely right, ma'am. And we'll definitely take it into consideration, and we'll try to implement it as soon as we can, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I would recommend PTE tutorials to everyone, and you people are doing the great job.
Thank you. And ma'am, we would really like to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Actually, people don't have the time, honestly, to, come for a video testimonial, but you took out time from your hectic schedule. And as you said,
because I was happy with PT Tutorials, so I thought I should do it.
Thank you for playing that part of your role, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I would also like to tell the viewers that Vijaya has just shifted from America to India, and obviously she's very hectic with starting her life again in India as well, and before she applies for a permanent residency in Australia. But still, she took out time from her schedule, and as she said, she's really happy, and we are equally happy that she has got a desired score, and that too in the second attempt itself. So ma'am, once again, I would like to congratulate you from everyone at PTEtutorials.com, and we are very thankful and we are very happy that you got your desired score as well. So
thank you,
wishing you all the best for your PR as well, and hope you get it really soon in the next invite round as well, as quickly as possible.
Sure. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, that's right. Thank you, ma'am. So friends, my name is Malcolm and I'm one of the tutors with PTEtutorials.com. So Vijaya has a very inspirational story which she just shared with her right now, her journey from America to India back, and now again she'll be trying to move to Australia very soon with a desired score of 8 each. So friends, whatever target score is, be it 6 each, 7 each, or 8 each, there's only one name, and that's PTEtutorials.com. You can definitely join our Telegram group. We have approximately around 7,000 members, and you can definitely practice from our website, which is called PTEtutorials.com. We have 50 tests which are scored on the website itself, and that's a lot of questions to solve. Many are real test questions as well. So it's a very dynamic atmosphere on the Telegram group as well, and on the website as well, you get a lot of feedback from the tutors as well. So lastly, once again, we'd like to congratulate you, Vijaya. And thank you, friends, for getting in touch with us and for joining in the live session as well. Thank you. Think PT, think PT Tutorials. Thank you very much.